Forming a limited liability company, LLC, can be a great choice for many businesses, but it's not the perfect fit for everyone. Here are some reasons why someone might decide not to form an LLC. 1. Cost. There are costs associated with forming and maintaining an LLC, including filing fees and annual renewal fees. For some small businesses or startups with limited funds, these costs might outweigh the benefits of forming an LLC. 2. Complexity. While forming an LLC is generally less complex than forming a corporation, it still involves paperwork and legal requirements. Some entrepreneurs might prefer to keep things simple and operate as a sole proprietorship or partnership instead. 3. Tax considerations. While LLCs offer flexibility in how they are taxed, they are subject to self-employment taxes. Depending on your business structure and financial situation, it might be more advantageous tax-wise to operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. 4. State regulations. LLCs are regulated at the state level, and the requirements and regulations can vary from state to state. Some states have more stringent reporting and compliance requirements for LLCs, which could be burdensome for some businesses. 5. Limited liability. While LLCs offer limited liability protection to their owners, there are situations where this protection may not be absolute. For example, if an LLC owner personally guarantees a business loan or commits fraud, they may still be personally liable. 6. Ownership restrictions. Some industries have restrictions on who can own or operate an LLC. For example, certain professions like law or medicine may have specific regulations governing the formation of LLCs. 7. Exit strategy. If you have plans to take your company public or seek significant outside investment in the future, a different business structure like a corporation might be more suitable. LLC ownership structures can be less flexible when it comes to selling or transferring ownership interests. 8. Perception. In some industries or to certain clients, operating as an LLC might not convey the same level of professionalism or credibility as a corporation. Perception can be an important factor in business relationships and branding. 9. Personal preference. Ultimately, the decision of whether to form an LLC comes down to personal preference and the specific needs and goals of your business. Some entrepreneurs may simply prefer the simplicity and autonomy of operating as a sole proprietorship or partnership. Now, if after taking into account all these considerations, you are still interested in forming an LLC, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.